When reattaching a lock, the first thing you want to do is comb out about 1.5 to 2 inches of your hair and the piece that you are reattaching. You can use a comb and a rat tail end to make sure that you have enough combed out so that it does not detach once you put it together. Next, you want to grab your 0.5 or 0.75 crochet hook to make sure that the hair gets tangled together. The purpose of the crochet hook is to tangle the hairs in. You have a motion where you're going in and you're taking it out, but you also want to couple that motion where you are not bringing the crochet hook outside of the lock. While you are going in and out of the lock with the crochet hook, you also want to rotate in a cylinder-like manner, which will in turn continue to form the lock as you bring the hairs in and out and tangle them together. Of course, I can post a more in-depth tutorial on my YouTube page, but this is the quick way to reattach a lock. You continue to do this motion until it is firmly locked together and cylinder-like. And be careful because the hooks are very sharp. Once you are done, the lock should feel very firm as you have brought all the hairs in and tangled them together to reattach the lock you lost.